I'll take a little bit of my salt, and we'll take it up here on the driveway. Lots of this is already melting, but I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit. What?
We have to complain to them about doing this.
Yeah, I don't know what else, how else.
They did it all last year too.
Yeah.
So we have to call HOA and tell them to, we don't, and then they come, if you bitch, then they'll come and move it away. It really pisses you off though.
Yeah.
And what they'll do is you do this, and then they'll come through and do it again.
Uh-huh. After you shoveled it.
After you've cleaned out the berms, they'll come back and do it again.
So you don't need a whole lot of salt. Just enough to melt the rest and to keep it off. I guess I'll do a little bit of my little sidewalk over here. Even though most of the snow is melted, if any water stays on there and doesn't dry up today, it can ice over at night. So that's what this salt. Oh. Oh, but now I got to get the rest of that snow up there. Tom was kind enough to get most of it for me, and then he ran out of gas. The snowblower ran out of gas, and then he finished up his, but I don't expect him to do mine anyways. That was very nice of him to do as much as he did for me. So now I've got to shovel off over that direction because I don't want to leave that there. I've got this truck in here. We're going to be going on a trip in a few more days, and I don't want this stuff to harden up. It may not melt. You might think, well, it'll melt, and if not, in 3 or 4 days, I'll get out there with a shovel. Yeah, then you'll be out there with a metal shovel, square tip, small shovel. These things, you'll break the tips on it, especially if you have something even wider than this. If you've got a wide snow shovel, about 1.5 times as wide as this one, there's no way you'll ever get through that if it ices up. Then you're in for a pickle. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.